So no wonder why it's cool, I'm the dude that they hating on. And I ain't gon' stop till the day that I drop, so you haters might be waiting long. So tell me what they gon' do with me, when I am that dude you could be, but homie you can't, and haters.
Hi YouTube, today's the 27th, and here is the daily pack opening. 1 is Kaijudo, 2 Theros, 3 Shadow Specters, 4 Journey into Nyx, 5 the Battle Pack 2 for Vanguard, Onslaught of Dragon Souls, and 6 is Innistrad, and we have a 4, which is Journey into Nyx. So let's get started. But the reason why you're seeing a lot of the same packs is I buy boxes, so we have Rotted Hulk, Hubris, Pensive Minotaur, Acheron Mastiff, Nature's Panoply, Nyx Infusion, Blade Tusk 4, Deathbringer Lampads, Supply Line Cranes, Thassa's Devourer. Our first uncommon is Nissan's Game Warden, Sightless Brawler, Thassa's Eyrie, and the rare is Spawn of Thraxus. And we have a Plains and Tip token card. But that is our pack.
Don't give a fuck. Other days I feel like $1 million. I just can't keep doing this, cause it's the same shit. I spill my heart with this pen and no one even listens. Baggy pants, new kicks, and a fresh tee. If you wanna criticize, then criticize me, cause I ain't in it just to get a name or for the fame. I'm in it, this is what I love to do. You haters look like you ate a grapefruit. I guess it's time to ride solo, cause it's my thing. I keep a time with me, you bitches spare change. I ain't even left yet before spring. This is so much more.